Parallel processing introduction. What is parallel processing?
Parallel processing is a method in figuring out of running two or more processes to handle separate parts of an overall task. Splitting up different parts of a task among multiple processes will help lessen the amount of time to run a program. Any system that has more than one CPU can execute parallel processing, as well as multi-core processors which are commonly found on computers today. Parallel processing is mostly used to perform some complicated tasks and computation. Commonly, parallel processing is made use by data scientists to compute and data-intensive tasks. There are four types of multiple processes organization. First, single instruction, single data stream. Second, single instruction, multiple data stream. Third, multiple instruction, single data stream. And fourth, multiple instruction, multiple data stream.
Have you ever heard of single instruction, single data? Definition of single instruction, single data.
SISD is a single processor that executes single instruction stream to operate on data stored in a single memory. The rate of computer can transfer information internally will limit the speed of processing element in the SISD. Sequential computers are a model which use SISD, then machine instruction and data to be processed will be stored in the SISD. From the von Neumann architecture, the most CPU designs are based on the SISD.
These are the von Neumann architecture picture. Here is the introduction stream structure.
This category falls in the uniprocessor systems. Uniprocessor computing is known as centralized computing. Most desktop computers are uniprocessor where a single CPU is present which executes all the tasks given by the user. To execute the task and deliver the results or complete the process much faster, multiprocessor will have more than one CPU.
There are some advantages and disadvantages.
First, it is great in processing the instructions which are steadily independent and influence on scalar data. Second, SISD is also very advantageous in data flow biased processor that depends on data assembling of regular dependent data. There are 3 points to point out. First, instruction with single data scalar add up multiple type of computational element processor core, that is MISD, with popular examples such as reconfigurable process. Second, instruction with multiple data such as vector, the operation compute on single type of computational element, that is SMSD. Third, instruction with single data scalar being add up on a single type computational element processor, that is SISD.
This is the advantages.
First, it is great in processing the instructions which are steadily independent and influence on scalar data. Second, SISD is also very advantageous in data flow biased processor that depends on data assembling of regular dependent data.
So here is some of the disadvantages.
First, it is not fast since it operates on one data at a time. Second, instruction level parallelism (ILP) extraction is highly complicated and not preferred.
For summary,
classification of parallel processor is an organization of a computer system can be classified by a number of instruction and data items that can be manipulated simultaneously. The sequence of instruction read from memory constitute an instruction stream. The operation performed on data in the processor constitute a data stream. Parallel processing may occur in instruction stream or data stream or both. There are 4 types of classification of parallel processor. which are single instruction, single data stream, single instruction, multiple data stream, multiple instruction, single data stream, and multiple instruction, multiple data stream. Single instruction, single data stream refers to an instruction set architecture in which a single processor with one CPU executes exactly one instruction stream at a time, and also fetch or stores one item of data at a time to operate data stored in a single memory unit. Single instruction, single data stream is a serial computer. Single instruction means only one instruction stream is being acted on by CPU during any one clock system. Single data stream is the only data stream that being used as input during one clock cycle. This is the oldest and until recently the most prevalent form of computer. For example, most PC, single CPU workstation and mainframes. Instructions are decoded by the control unit, and then the control unit sends the instruction to the processing unit for execution.
Thank you for watching.